Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Test This Skincare Pen. But hold up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. We will be adding our new black soap. I know I said in one of these tested skincare pens it was already there, but it ain't there. But we will be adding this soon. So please calm down. We will. So excited. So anyways, in this episode of Test This Skincare Pen, we will be using baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Now it's said to remove dark scars, which dark scars are fading of the scars is literally acne. You know, when you pop pimples, some of us pop pimples, some of us don't. I lean between both popping them and maybe not popping them, depending on what they look like. If it's white and ucky, it's getting popped. Now some people don't. So when you pop them, you tend to get an acne scar. Most of us do. It's normal. I get them all the time. So I have a few on my skin, and this pen is said to remove those acne scars over time. So before I decided to you know, use it for a week, I wanted to get on camera and try it with you guys. So before we start the pen, I want to show you guys my acne scar. I have one right here. You see, I have a few under here. These are blackheads when run. Y'all see that one? That one right there. Actually, that was a ingrown hair slash blackhead gone wrong. Here we're wrong. I'm being honest. You know, we gotta be real. I'm just letting y'all know. And here's one right here. It went wrong. And then there you go. That's another acne scar went wrong. So yeah, because some of y'all be acting like, oh, you ain't got no acne. You a liar. You a liar. I'm telling y'all, I gotta work with my skin too. It just don't look like this, okay? So let's try it. So what I'm using for the pen is a 1/4 cup of baking soda. The pen calls for 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So, you know, I'm just letting you know, but I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup. So, you know, just to be, you know, make sure I get my whole face. Now, if you have apple cider vinegar, if yours is fermented, it will bubble up a little bit. Just a little bit. Mine's pretty fermented, so it's gonna bubble up. And fermented means it's been sitting for a while. Apple cider vinegar, yeah, it's like kombucha. I don't know if you guys have ever had kombucha, but kombucha ferments too. If it's sitting somewhere for a while, it fizzes, it bubbles up. So this will. So this is what it looks like. Can y'all see that brown stuff? Look at that brown stuff. So what I like to do is use just a little, and then I just make a paste. So this is what it looks like. Can y'all see? See? So that's the paste you get. Now I do have pictures on the blog just to let you know, but this is pretty much the paste you get. This is what it looks like. So I will say this concoction smells really bad, and maybe it's because my apple cider vinegar is fermented, but I will let you guys know you should add some essential oil to it. The one on my blog, I did add essential oil to it. So yeah, here we go. It's falling. Okay, so I'm just essentially just putting it all over my face, praying it don't drip, praying. Okay, so it's all over my face. We're gonna let it set for a few minutes and we're going to see how I feel about it. So this is what it looks like. Oh my God. Oh, I don't want it in my mouth. Oh my God. Oh, y'all. Oh my God. It's in my mouth. Okay, y'all see, this is what it looks like. Let's do a close-up. Y'all see what it looks like? It's all over the face. I got as much as I could without getting my floor as messy as it is already. Y'all see? Okay, so we're back. So now we're gonna take it off. Normally, y'all know I like to use towels, but I think this is gonna be the year of bounty. Hashtag not sponsored, but this is about to be the year of Bounty. Oh my God, can y'all see? It's literally flaking. Like every time I talk, it flakes. So I got the water. So I'm just really just taking it off. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, I hate the way it feels taking it off. I think maybe instead of taking it off with like any type of paper towel or material, you could literally just like run your face through water to get it off. That would be a good idea, but I'm just doing this because, you know, I like to feel it as I talk to you guys, because, you know, sometimes when you may have it on your skin, if it doesn't feel right coming off, that's an issue too. So it's all in my mouth. Y'all, it is all in my mouth. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like coming off. Can y'all see? The lights are like bright. Like bright. Can y'all see this? Look at this. Look at that. That's what it looks like. So yeah. Ooh, this is a lot, honey. I'm just about to douse my face in this. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's too much. So I'm gonna do a close-up and let me know what you guys think of my skin. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. As always, you know, I like to use Larimar Elixir on my skin, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com after most of my skincare treatment. Here you go. Normally I use Miracle Glow oil, but I like Larimar Elixir when using baking soda, just to help with pH, because you know how baking soda does. So make sure you have no residue on your skin after if you're going to use Larimar Elixir. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all my face before I put Larimar Elixir on, but this is what it looks like. Okay, what y'all think? I don't know. I didn't like it personally. I didn't like the mess. But I think I would probably use it for a week, because I'm looking at my skin right now. What y'all think? I showed y'all that one. Look at this one. What do y'all think? Am I blind? Do y'all notice a difference? What do y'all think? Let me know. I know it's not going to do it right away. I'm not expecting results like today, but I don't know if my face feels so different. Like, I mean, my skin, not face. My skin, well, face skin. It feels so different. What's going on, baking soda, apple cider vinegar? You know, apple cider vinegar does wonders to the skin. It is used as a clarifier for your hair, which I do have a recipe on my blog as a clarifier for apple cider vinegar. I wouldn't say this is Shundara approved, but I mean, I will say that I mean, I don't know what to say. My skin looks really good, but I will say that it may work. It may. I'm gonna have to use this for a week and give y'all an update, but this may work. Yeah, this may work. It may. Yeah, I will use this. This is looking, look at, y'all, can y'all see that? Boy! You should try it, but however, I will give you some cons about it. It is messy, so if you don't like a mess everywhere, look at my, you know, for y'all who ain't into this, I'm about to show y'all my area of the cleavage. So, but look at it, it looks real bad. Look at this, y'all see that? Just messy. So I mean, it's up to you if you want to dabble with the mess, but it does get everywhere. But I don't know, I like it. Oh my God, my face feels super clean, bright. It's like brightening. I like it. I love it. It's messy though. It's not, I don't think it's worth the mess. Y'all know I don't be liking to clean all the time. Like, I feel like I gotta wash dishes. I gotta clean up after Sonomi. It's just a lot. But if you are looking for something a little cheap because you can't afford high brand products, or, you know, I would give it a try. I would. And drink water, because like I like to tell you guys, water is not enough, okay? But God, this is, I like it. I give it thumbs up. I don't know if it's the light. Let's put the light. Hold on, let me get this light together. I still like it. It did one. I must say, let me know what y'all think in the comments, the difference. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this episode of Test This Skincare Pan with me, Shundara. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out Larimar Elixir as well as Miracle Glow Oil at SavvyNaturalista.com. If you do decide to try this, I'm just letting you know my apple cider vinegar was fermented, so that may have a lot to do with it too. But you never know if your apple cider vinegar is fermented. Go ahead and try it. When it's fermented, you could tell it fizzes up a lot, and it's more potent when it starts fermenting and starts smelling like wines and, you know, beers and stuff like that. So anyways, thanks so much for watching this episode. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye, you guys.